This is Sai Fadendra from SQL School. We are one of the best training institute for PostgreSQL DBA classes. We make you job ready. We provide you the real-time projects, and we have been partnered with a lot of MNCs across the globe all these 20 years of our successful journey to place you in a safe job. Let's get into the details of Postgres. We being specialized in PostgreSQL DBA activities, we can provide you the best possible training classes, trust me. Let's get into the actual concepts. We are going to start from the scratch of Postgres in our classes. We are going to make you understand the things step by step, right from the architecture. We'll be taking you to backups, restores, jobs, automations, optimizations, licensing activities, migrations, cloud, AI implementations in Postgres, a new activity very recently launched in Postgres. I am sure our classes and the course curriculum is completely up to date. In our Postgres classes, we will be teaching you how to perform on-prem to cloud migrations with issues and solutions. We provide you log monitoring activities. We will be providing you the on-job, off-job support checklist activities, common errors, solutions, and as well resource maintenance activities, dashboards, and a lot more. Okay, let's get started now with a common question: who can become a DBA? It's a very common question that we generally get. And here we go. Yes, starters. Experienced, or someone have gap in profession, experienced professionals in IT with some other technology, or experienced professionals in non-IT like maybe staffing, Medicare, healthcare, sales, or infrastructure, retail, anyone, everyone, including college staff, university lecturers, anyone can happily become a DBA with our step-by-step proven curriculum and process. We can make you a true DBA. I can give you the actual confidence, because I would be involved in your resume. I will be involved personally in your actual one-to-one care for mock interviews, resume preparations, guidance, and lot more. The trainings, either myself or one of our talented and proven technology specialists, SMEs, subject matter experts, will be handling it. But at the end of the day, pertaining to your resumes, the mock interviews, daily assignments, activities, checklists, I will be taking care of. It is my job here at SQL School. I will be your caretaker for the course. And in our 100% hands-on step-by-step training classes, paid with real-time projects, we will be learning good number of concepts A to Z, everything in Postgres. We will be taking it step by step, including cloud, non-cloud first, cloud next. So here is a roadmap on my screen. We are going to teach you from scratch architecture concepts to something called tuning, table spaces, and optimizations, automation, security, something called Grafana and PG loader, Postgres loader tools, point in time recovery, MVCC architecture, high availability and disaster recovery will be part of module 1. Module 2 would be into cloud, Azure cloud activities. That includes deployments, migrations, tuning, troubleshooting, security, lot of concepts, guys. And then we make you to learn module 3, very important item, project work. The shape of our resume decides on the project, and the quality of the resume decides on the project. Project will decide the actual quality as well as timelines of our scrutiny. Really, sometimes we hear, I put in my resume but I don't see any cons. Yes, it's a natural factor. The way we format our resume is also very important. At SQL School, we are here to guide you for that. We'll make you the best DBA in your team once you get onboarded. We'll start from chapter 1 introduction to Postgres. Then continue for chapter 2 installations and issues. Then chapter 3 will be going for configuration of files and data directories, architecture concepts. Then comes database clusters. Then comes processor and memory activities. Then we are going to learn about objects creations and security privileges, right? And then we'll slowly proceed for tools and catalog activities. Then we'll be going for CRUD, C-R-U-D, create, update, delete, and the relevant process activities. We'll be doing it carefully. Then comes concept of table spaces, backups, restores, advanced backups and restore activities we are going to learn. We are going to learn something called multi-version concurrency control. One of the very interesting, I love this concept, MVCC, will be teaching you step by step practically. Maintenance plans, vacuums and analysis activities, database activities with joins, constraints. Mainly for troubleshooting, we require indexes and types. There are a lot of indexes. Performance tuning concepts including execution plan, in-depth analysis. Then we are going to learn about the concepts of maintenance, hardware tuning and software tuning activities. We are going to learn about data loader activities including FDW, foreign data wrapper activities we are going to learn. We are going to talk about various extensions in Postgres activities. Installations, uninstallations, HADR and replication, failover and switchover concepts. We are going to learn about HADR activities with streaming replications, automatic failover, use case scenarios we are going to teach you. Of course, everything 100% hands-on, including Patroni and other important tools. We are going to teach you step by step on the high availability concepts with disaster recovery examples. We are going to provide you complete information on server parameters and at the same time real-time use cases, migrations, migration tools, third-party tools, updates, upgrades, monitoring and reporting activities. These are all the core Postgres DBA concepts we are going to teach you 100% hands-on. Then we go for the Azure. In Azure, we'll be starting with fundamentals to cloud, cloud environment, cloud types, cloud activities and cloud verticals. We are going to provide you the complete information on Postgres deployments in cloud, Azure cloud, migration activities, security and lot of activities pertaining to Azure cloud. So here in Azure cloud, we'll be taking the concepts on AKS, Azure virtual machines, Azure CRUD operations and class objects in Postgres. We are going to learn about migrations, migration issues to cloud. Non-cloud to cloud, cloud to non-cloud. We'll be taking both, including optimizations and automations. We'll be learning about backups and restore concepts in Azure cloud. We are going to learn about performance tuning concepts, in-depth analysis of execution plans. We'll be learning about good amount of third-party tools. And finally, we are going to have the HADR in Azure versus on-prem. On-prem means non-Azure activities. Let me tell you friends, our classes at SQL School will be the best for you to upskill. That's all I can tell you. Everything you need to learn a course, everything you need to master a technology, we are here to provide you. We will do our best. Trust us. We have been here for almost 2 decades now. We have been creating lakhs of database administrators and supplying them to various MNCs across the globe. Trust us. We'll be making sure we prepare you for your job. We need to make sure we prepare you for your interviews. And we need to make sure you understand every concept we provide you. And You are at the right place, SQL School. We are here to provide you the detailed notes, assignments, mock interviews weekly, and what not, including the resumes and job support. See you there in our actual live classes, and thank you so much for your valuable time watching this video. I'll be waiting for you to enroll for the free demo class to step from there. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Thank you once again. See you soon.